Guys, this is exactly how you're going to reach profitability right now. I'm not joking with you. I've been spending the last 2 months with this strategy. This is exactly the strategy that made me profitable. And within a week, I got 3K within a week, guys. Check these payouts out. 2 payouts. This is a strategy you need to use. And I'm not joking with you. There's a lot of gurus out there, guys, that are teaching you bull crap. In this video, this is the only thing you need to know, and seriously, that you need to apply in your trading so that you can become profitable. And I'm not joking. This is absolutely amazing. I've been gone for the last 2 months, guys. This is exactly what you need to know. Let's go ahead and get on the charts right now. All right, let's get straight into the chase, guys. Seriously, we're on NASDAQ. This is awesome. I can't wait to show you this because I've been backtesting this for 2 months. Great results, okay? And this strategy is strictly going to be a one-on-one strategy. Again, I don't even have a name for this yet, so go ahead and drop some names down below. All right, so basically what we're going to do, there is 2 key levels. What are the key levels? Monday open, the 18 o'clock open. What is that? Well, cool. We're going to go ahead and mark those out. Let's mark out the 18 o'clock open. So what time is that? That's 3 o'clock p.m. So we're going to go ahead. This is a bearish candle, so it's going to be, our open's going to be on the top. Boom. So there is our 18 o'clock open. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to always trade New York session open. We're going to trade for the first hour and a half. So from 9 o'clock a.m. ET to 10:30 ET, you should be able to catch a trade based off this 18 o'clock open. What we're going to do now, where is midnight open? So midnight open is basically our what? Midnight open. Where is our 12 o'clock? So 12 o'clock a.m. open. Boom. It's a bearish candle, so it's going to be on the top. If it's bullish, it'll be on the bottom. I'm assuming you guys already know how they open and close. Simply, all we're going to do is identify the open. Boom. There it is. Okay. Let's go ahead and label this midnight open. Easy, right? Pretty dang easy. So basically, we have our midnight open level, and what else do we have? Well, we have our 18 o'clock open level. All right, cool. So it actually did pop up here, so we're not going to trade the first minute just because the volume's so high. Everybody's trading the first minute of the New York session because they're dumb. But we're just going to wait for these dumb people to get in this trade so that price can just move wherever the market wants to. As you can see, we're pretty bullish, right? What are we looking for? Buys. Because simply on the 1 minute, we're bullish. Look at this. Bullish structure. Okay, that is high probability. High probability is going with the trend, correct? So basically with this strategy, we're going to go with the trend. However, basically what are we going to do? Well, we closed above the 18 o'clock open. We could use this level as a what? A buy position. Okay? Right here. We're going to use this level as a buy. So I go here, 12.5 points. So when it comes to buying the market with this strategy, it's going to be a 1-to-1 risk reward. Okay? So we risk $100 and make $100. Does that make sense? But we're risking one contract of the NASDAQ for 12.5 points. Okay? So that is $250 per trade. However, if we want to go on the micro, we could do less. We could do 5. You know what I mean? So half of that. However, I always like to do one contract of the NASDAQ. Okay? Because when it comes to price being so bullish or bearish, usually price has these little pullbacks, right? That continue higher or little pullback against the trend, right? So basically, we're going to catch that small little move. Okay, that's how I literally got 2 payouts, just by catching these small little moves. We're not trying to catch the whole move. Does that make sense? All right. So basically, we're going to go ahead and ideally do 12.5 points. That's how much we're going to do. No less, no more. We're going to go ahead and use this level as support. Let's see if this 18 o'clock open uses this level. Basically, we're going to go ahead and create a limit order. Limit order, guys, is only used for the strategy. I'm going to go ahead and buy the market right at the 18 o'clock open. Okay, so once we did that, what are we going to do now? So, boom. Oh my gosh. Guys, do you see that? And now that's it. Boom, we're out, right? Within a minute, guys, within a span of what? 1 minute, this happened. All right. So we're basically continuing the trend. See this? Or after New York session, it follows that trend. Not only follows the trend, but use this level as what? Support. Because why? Because our 18 o'clock opens a good level on draw. 18 o'clock level is good because it's such a strong level where you catch these buys or sells based off the trend, guys. And I like this because it's very great, very easy to do, right? Pretty easy. So what are we doing now? Well, are we going to go ahead and go short off this midnight open? We can, but would that be against the trend? Yes, it would. So in this case, we're really bullish. I'm going to continue looking for buys. So what we're going to do, I want to see this level close above here first. If it does, hopefully it does. Look at this. Came right back to 18 o'clock open. Boom. Another buy position right here. See that? Another buy for 12.5 points. Just like that. See that? Boom. Easy. Okay, that's 2 winning trades. This one tapped in your limit order exactly where you needed to. Boom. Exited you out. Could have done it again right here. Right? Okay. And then what happens now, guys? Well, price needs to go. Boom. Look at closed above, right? Closed above. So price closed above. What is this? A buy position, because we're just going to go follow the trend. Okay. Let's go settings. Template. I'm going to go ahead and do 12.5 points again. Let's see if we get another position. We're going to buy the market now using this level as a support area, leading to 12.5 points. That's it. That's all we're looking for. Do we get that? Okay, we're in the trade. All right. Boom. There it is. There it is. Like, guys, don't be missing out on this. This is crazy. All you're doing is following the trend. Absolutely nuts. Like, this is how I got 2 payouts with the span of a week. Guys, this is nuts, guys. Okay, and what happens again? Can we use this same level as support again? You can. Usually I don't if it already traded to it. But, hey, you can again. If you want to make a change in the strategy, if you guys want to go ahead and reuse the level again, look at reuse the level again. And then for another 12.5 points, continuing the trend, correct? That is all you need. This is basically all you need. And then that's it. You're done for the day. Your levels have been hit. Your 2 levels have been hit. You're done for the day. That is it. 3 trades. Boom. Would have won. Okay? Pretty damn simple. All right. So just out of curiosity, what happens here? Does the price keep moving up? Look, comes back down in the midnight open. Comes right back for a what? Another 12.5 points. Like, that's 4 trades in a row. You could have won. Okay, and then we'll see later on, and price just keeps moving up, correct? Yes. So it looks like it doesn't come back down. All right, just keeps following that, or it could. See, I wouldn't trade this along. I would only trade the first hour and a half. That's a part of this rule when it comes to this strategy. So you can go longer. However, it is more riskier. I want to trade with the volatility of the market and based off the trend. So that's simple, guys. Pretty dang simple. And yeah, simple as a dimple, guys. Let's go. And then you guys, by the way, if you want access to this indicator that shows you instantly, like you can literally hop on the charts, put this indicator on, it's going to show you the levels instantly. Go ahead and check the link down below and get that, guys, because this is substantial, and it shows more levels, more key levels that you could use for the strategy, not just 2. So 2 are the main ones I showed you. Go ahead and check those out. Pretty dang simple, guys. So with that being said, hope you guys did enjoy this, and take care, guys. Trade on, and join the Discord down below. Join that Discord, guys, for amazing stuff, guys. All my strategies are on there for free. Everything is on there for free, guys. Join that and follow, guys. Let's go. Subscribe to this channel if you guys enjoyed, and like, guys. Peace.